So I'm going to opening my Google Photos app and now searching for a photo to download. So for example, I want to download this. So from Google Photos app, we can't download or save any photos directly to our gallery. So we have to use a third-party app to download Google Photos. So select one or multiple photos you want to download. Now tap on share. And here you will find a bunch of different apps to share the photo. Let's share the photo in WhatsApp. So I'm selecting WhatsApp and selecting a conversation to send the image. And now I'm going to my WhatsApp and here we can see the image that I just saved from Google Drive. And now it's time to save this image in my device. So I'm opening the image and tapping on this three dot, tapping on save, and the photo has been successfully saved in my gallery. So here you can see the image. So this is the easiest way to save Google Photos in our device.